Hey everyone, want to make WinRAR your default archive manager in Windows? Setting WinRAR as the default app for supported archive files makes it easier to open RAR, ZIP, and other compatible archives directly with WinRAR. In this full guide, I'll show you how to set WinRAR as the default archive manager in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. First, open Windows Settings. Yeah, you can press Windows +I on your keyboard to open settings quickly. Now select Apps, then choose Default Apps. This section lets you control which applications Windows uses to open different types of files. Use the search box to find WinRAR. Yeah, select WinRAR from the list to view the file types and link types associated with it. Look for the RAR file extension. Click the current default application next to it and choose WinRAR. Confirm the change if Windows asks you. Next, find the zip file extension. Yeah, if you want zip files to open with WinRAR 2, click the current application and select WinRAR. You can also review other archive formats supported by your WinRAR installation. If a format is compatible with WinRAR, you can associate it with the application through Windows Default App Settings or WinRAR's own integration options. There's another quick method. Yeah, right-click an archive file, choose Open With, and select Choose Another App. Then select WinRAR and enable the option to always use this app for the selected file type. Now let's test the change. Close the settings window and double-click a RAR or zip file. If everything is configured correctly, it should now open directly with WinRAR. If WinRAR doesn't appear in the list, make sure it's installed correctly. Yeah, you can browse for the WinRAR executable manually when Windows asks you to choose an application. If a file type keeps opening with the wrong program, return to Default Apps and change that specific extension again. Remember that changing the association for one extension doesn't necessarily change every other archive format. For the best experience, keep WinRAR updated. Only associate the archive formats you actually want WinRAR to handle. And remember that changing the default app doesn't change or convert the archive itself. Yeah, it only tells Windows which program should open that file type. And that's how to set WinRAR as the default archive manager in Windows in 2026. Now your supported archive files can open directly with WinRAR, making file management faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.